Hey folks, it's Mike Cayley 7 here on the 1st of June 2018. I'm out here riding 90 degrees and hot as balls, but I'm out here and I don't really know where I'm going. I have ideas, I have things I must do. I was sitting in the house in the darkness. I have today off. Today's Friday. I have Fridays off all summer, which I know, like, wow. Yes, I know. 10-hour days, Monday through Thursday, and then I get Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, and that's a good thing. Anyway, so I was sitting there thinking to myself, I was just going to sit in the cold of the house because I have it, the AC's on 69 and its shades are pulled and it's dark, and I was watching YouTube on the TV thinking to myself, I'll just stay here. And then I texted my partners in crime, Moose 3971 and Harley Trick, and I could just imagine what they had to say. I never really looked to see if they replied, but I texted that I was sulking in the house, and then I thought, you know what, you dummy, get off your lazy ass, put on your gear, and go for a frickin' ride, and stop crying. And so here I am. And so far, it's not terrible. I mean, it's not great, but it's not terrible out here. It has been raining a lot, so that was kind of depressing. So at least I'm getting some sunshine. Maybe get a little bit of vitamin D, a little bit of vitamin cancer. Anyway. In case you're wondering where I am, this is Highway 42 in Willow Spring, North Carolina, and I am headed toward Fuquay Arena. Generally, I don't like going into towns because towns have traffic and crazy drivers. But I got a couple things I gotta do. Getting ready for a motorcycle trip coming up, so I think I'll go get my hairs cut. I'm gonna get one of those buzz cuts. Space Monkey. I gotta cash a couple of checks, and I gotta pick up something out of my car, which is currently, I think, in Fuquay Arena, if I can find it. My significant other currently has it because she's at the nail salon getting her nails did with her sister. Isn't that sweet? So maybe I'll get lucky and find her there and can do this thing and she won't even know. Look at this guy U-turning on the highway. See, I'm not even into town yet. It's already started. So, by the way, I had that flat tire, as you may have noticed a couple videos ago. The front tire was flat. So now I don't have the tire pressure monitoring system on either the front or the back. I'll just get down on my lazy ass and check it the old-fashioned way. Trying to work smart, not hard, now that I'm spending tons of dough. That's what I'm thinking. They said they wouldn't have changed the tire if they hadn't found damage to the tire. So, evidently it was a nail, or it was damage to the tire. I think when you ride for any length of time, other than like 2 or 3 feet on a flat tire, you've just compromised the safety of that tire. That's just my opinion. I'm probably wrong. I'm sure there are motorcycle superheroes out there. You can ride on that tire flat for 200 miles. When you fill it up again with your own breath, because you got big lungs, because you're a big man, and you'll be fine. Pussy. That's probably what they're going to say. Motorcycle superhero. Yeah. So the way the motorcycle felt last summer when I had the flat tire on the rear is it made me feel like I had a problem in the front end because it was all hard to control and squirrely and stuff. Felt like my front end was all greased up. And then this past time with the front tire going flat, it felt like somebody had encased my front wheel in concrete. So I decided to pull over rather quickly because I realized I had a flat, or something was majorly wrong. Yeah, that cost me $220 for the tow. I have to go get reimbursed for that now with my Progressive insurance. I don't know how much they'll pay. I have to find out. Probably not enough. And then it costs, it's $100 an hour basically for the mechanic at the Harley dealer, and plus the new tire cost. And I had to do a 10,000 mile service because I'm at basically 10,000 miles now. So all together, when I picked up that bike, this bike, I paid $884.84. That's a lot of damn money. And I know motorcycle superheroes out there are going to say, "You're an idiot. You paid all that money because you're stupid. You're a rub. You're some kind of yuppie biker. You don't know how to do things on your bike." I fully admit it. I am not mechanically inclined. And you might say, "Well, you don't know what did you try. You try to go slow and all that." No. I don't have the temperament for it. I get angry, I lose stuff, can't keep track of stuff, skip over steps, forget steps. I killed 2 mowers, I seized 2 engines. And I ripped the header bolt right out of the engine on my Road King when I was trying to reinstall the exhaust pipe that I had taken off because it had come loose years ago. A nut backed off of the bolt, and so the thing was hanging loose, and I took the whole thing off because I thought I had to put a new gasket, but they didn't have gaskets on the pipes at all that I could see, and I put the pipe back on, and I was torquing it, and I torqued it real hard, and so crack, that cost me a bunch of money. Yeah, so I'm not trustworthy. Don't let me around a wrench, especially not a torque wrench, because I will do some damage. So I end up having to pay. I have a lift at home, tucked underneath a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I end up paying through the nose. They said, "Well, why don't you go to some other mechanic? Why are you going to go to Harley-Davidson? They'll steal all your money. They'll rape you. They'll kill your grandmother." Well, it's because I'm under warranty. And I trust the work that they do at my dealership. They're very good. I haven't really had them screw anything up that I can think of. This idiot's gonna follow me all the way there. Oh, I hate it when you don't put on a turn signal to the last second. I could have gone, you dumb shit. All right, let's see if I can find. There she is. Ha 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 ha. I have almost completed my first mission of the day, which is, watch out, you Chucky. I had a feeling she'd still be here. They're probably inside Rose's shopping right now. Alright, give me a sec here. Hello, Frank. Don't need anybody pulling her over without a permit for this gun. Not a good thing. There we go. Now she's safe from being arrested. That's why I don't keep the gun in the car, because I forget that it's in there. Alright, away we go. Illegal maneuver. What are you doing, you dummy? Can I go? Thank you. All right, maneuvering through the city like I was born to it, which I kind of was.